indeed trepidation, I stand before you this evening to address you on the 40th anniversary of our call to bar. Let us know that this set is unarguably the most distinguished set since the law school opened its doors in 1962 at number 213 Igboshire Road, Lagos, in a one-duplex apartment. I had outlined in clear terms the reasons we needed to come together in 2019. Individually, we have accomplished the best that Nigeria has produced are in this set. This is an amazing class that has set the pace in many areas of endeavor in our great country, Nigeria and beyond. Our loud voice, our giant strides, and incredibly great deeds resonate across the globe. We have impacted positively in most immeasurable terms on the legal, judicial, governance, socio-economic, and political development of Nigeria. Never before has the legal profession in Nigeria been so blessed with an array of the best in everything that members of the 1981 Law School represent. They have stamped their feet indelibly on the sands of time. They have charted new courses and courses, and they have opened up new vistas with uncommon focus and tenacity of purpose. On the bench, they have not just contributed to, but have actually taken the lead in redefining the law and our legal jurisprudence with unprecedented clarity and lucidity of thought and intellectual engagement. The society is the greatest beneficiary of all this. Without any specific order of importance, it is on record that the bar harbors some of the best courtroom advocates or gladiators, if you like, in the legal profession from this set. In the academia, they have produced some of the best and most fecund scholars Nigeria has ever been endowed with. In the world of entrepreneurship and boardroom politics, they are simply nullus secundus. The 1981 set members have worked their way through politics to become governors, ministers, and heads of MDAs. By the way, we have to reach out to one of us, the Deputy Governor of Ondo State, Chief Bisi Egbeyemi, is actually our classmate. We need to, sorry? Is what? Slate? Ekiti State. Did I say Ondo? Oh, sorry. Ekiti State. The Deputy Governor, Chief Bisi Egbeyemi, is actually our classmate. God bless you for that correction. We have mentored many Nigerians in various disciplines of life. We have freely donated to Nigeria prominent civil servants, seasoned administrators, top military and police brass, some of the finest diplomatic players we ever had in Nigeria. We have produced eminent religious men and women of God that provide for us the spiritual and celestial needs of all Nigerians. In the traditional realm, some of our members are emirs, obis, and obas. We can see one of us today, heavily turbaned. to prove me right. It's a case of res ipsa loquitur. At the court, aside hundreds of our members being senior advocates of Nigeria and professors of law, the 1981 set can be found in large members on the superior bench, the High Courts, Federal High Court, the National Industrial Court of Nigeria, customary courts, Sharia courts, special tribunals, etc. Perhaps more interesting is the fact that we are the only sect in Nigeria that currently boasts of 6 revered justices of the Supreme Court of Nigeria, the apex court of the land. There would have been 7, but for the fact that one of us, the Honorable Justice Sidibage, became the Emir of Lafia. Never before in the history of the legal profession in Nigeria, to the best of my limited knowledge, have we ever had such a profound and uncharted legacy on our corpus juris at the highest level of the bench. The 1981 school set has produced 7 justices of the Supreme Court, 2 justices of the Court of Appeal, 4 judges of the Federal and High Court, 9 chief judges of the High Courts of various states in Nigeria, 2 presidents of the Customary Court of Appeal, and 30 judges of various high courts in Nigeria. And guess what? We have produced 16 senior advocates of Nigeria.
For a number of reasons. One, we've been together for a very long time, 40 years or more than 40 years. We've been together. We see eye to eye with many of us, but others are at quite some distance from Abuja. But I kept on monitoring each and every one of us. I am proud to say that each and every one of us, by the grace of God, has been successful wherever he is. Now, this is a special gift by God the Almighty. We keep on thanking Him, and we should continue to keep on enticing our relationship between each and every one of us. Those of us who are on the bench and those who are in the legal profession as practicing lawyers, those who are in administration, those who are academicians, it is good that we always put our heads together to see that we continue as one. Since we were joined in the law school. Now, I think we should think of a project which shall bear the name of our class. It may not be just now and now, but let us have the idea and let us keep on thinking. We must leave a history. 1981 set must leave a history. We have our elders here. We have all our colleagues. And even those who are not here, I am sure they will know about it. Let us think of something very, very important to the Nigerian legal profession and to the nation in general. Let us do something. Now, for the generality of our mates, I need no one to tell me, but I testify, and I know it as a fact, that God has blessed our class. Each and every one of us is doing fantastically fine in his area of choice. And you can never see a complaint from any one of us. I am sure if there are, they cannot be hidden. They should come out boldly. Especially in this our country, if there's any challenge against you, that challenge will come out. Well, as said today, I have not heard of any one of us who has been in okra soup, unable to get out of it. So that is a blessing from God, and we are lucky that we have put our heads together. I was telling Ibrahim there and Garba that this is the second time we are holding this kind of conference. He told me, no, this is the first one. I said, well, that is very excellent. And I am sure we will keep it alive to eternity, so that immediately you will soon see people of various classes trying to copy us. At least we have become the face setters. We are setting something very good for the law profession. I am always very pleased to see our classmates, and especially in the court hall. I will not challenge him as a classmate, but I keep on encouraging whoever appears. He doesn't know that I have something behind my mind, because it is excellence, excellence, excellence. So let us keep our cooperation together. Let us try to uphold this kind of meeting and the conference, so that over the years we will have established what may be known as a lineage forever, that it will continue forever. Now, the destiny is in the hands of God. Some of us are in practice, some of us are in administration, some of us are on the bench. Well, that is what God has decided. Wherever we are, we should remember that we are one and the same class. We must keep on cooperating, and we must keep on helping one another with all the types of ideas that we have. Because we should take it that the progress of one is the progress of all. And the failure of one is the failure to all. So let's keep on helping one another, so that wherever we go, it will be good, good, good. And it will be excellent at the tail end of whatever we do. May I tell you that some classes, I will not mention there, are trying to see whether they can overtake us. Yeah, I know of that, and maybe some of us know about it. Are we ready to allow them to take us over? If we are saying no, then we have to put more grease on our elbows. Not only that we must be meeting, because you can see that this is the only meeting we are doing now for just a few hours, and that's the end of it. Let us think of maybe even about 2 days. The organizing committee should try to come up with certain issues that will be made permanent, whether in the law school, whether in the various universities, or wherever we think it will profit, it will benefit people, especially those who are becoming lawyers. So I am urging us to think of something very tangible which we must leave for the society to know and appreciate us. I know we are doing fine. And we should keep toiling one another. What is wrong with, I haven't seen Mr. So. I haven't seen, somebody was just asking whether about Adamu Jaro. Well, I was telling the person who was near to me that Adamu Jaro has just lost his mother. And I happened to be in Gombe today. I went there, condoled him and the family, and I came back. Now, these are the kind of persons, I am sure if he were not engaged by this kind of thing, he would have been here. So let's keep ourselves together. Whatever happens to one, happens to all. Now, those of us who are on the bench, we would like you people who are outside the bench, please, if you have any observation, draw our attention. It is for the benefit of us and for the benefit of the society. Don't allow us to fumble about. If you have made observations, now as a classmate, as a friend, as a brother or a sister, please draw our attention. Because the legal profession is not meant for me alone. It's not meant for you alone. It is for all of us. So let's put heads together and put our hands all on deck so that we progress and we see that we have left something forever that we will be remembered for.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.